Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mubaraka Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. So in this video, I will be getting ready and doing this glam makeup look for my birthday. It's kind of a get ready with me, and also I will be answering some of your questions and assumptions about me in this video. So if you are interested to know more about me, please keep on watching this video. Also, I will not be explaining the makeup look in this video. I will be answering the questions simultaneously. So without wasting any more time, let's just get started. So for makeup, I have not decided any look as such. We're just gonna go with the flow and keep on answering the questions simultaneously. So I'm just starting with my skin prep and let's just jump into our first question. So the first question is one thing that you want to be in your life. So for me, I would say I want to be happy because if I'm successful, if I'm in a good health, if my family is in a good health, I will be happy, and that's the core point. I want to be happy throughout my life. So yeah, that's the answer of this question. So the next question is, where are you from? And I'm from Washim. It's nearby Aqua. And yeah, I get this question a lot, so I thought of including it in this one. So I'm just priming my face for a good makeup base. By the way, all the products that I'm using will be linked in the description box below, so if you want to know what I have used, you can find it in the description box. And also, why not welcome this new guest on my face who just arrived for my birthday. I don't know why, like out of nowhere there was like not a single acne on my face for a month, and then this came. So the next question is, how do you manage time for everything? For now, I have a fixed time to shoot my video. Like in the morning I shoot my video, and during the day with all the other chores I try and edit the video. So that's how I'm doing right now. For now, I would say I'm not that good in handling all the chores together. I'm not able to do it right now. I am lagging a lot with my Instagram. I'm lagging a lot with my YouTube. I had 2 videos planned for this a week, but I did not ended up posting any of them because I did not like the outcome of it, and unless I'm not liking it, I don't want it to put up for you guys to see. So I think I need to work on the schedule really soon, and maybe then I will be able to manage everything correctly. So the next question is, which software do I use for editing? So for Instagram videos, I use InShot to edit the 1-minute videos, and for YouTube right now I'm using Final Cut Pro and Filmora to edit my videos. And if you're asking for photos, I don't like do a lot to my photos, but if I had to like add a filter or anything like that, I'll use PixArt for that, and sometimes I'll go with Snapseed to just improvise with the lighting and all, but that's it. Like these are all the apps that I use for editing. So the next few questions are related to my studies and jobs and high school. So the questions are, would like to know about your studies and job, what year did I graduated from college, subject you hated the most, and were you popular in school? So starting with being popular in school, no, not at all. I was just a shy girl in school because I did not like going to my school and all that. I don't know, that phase was not good for me. A lot of people have really good memories from school, but for me, I really do not have a good memory from school. I have a lot of good memories from college, but from school, nah. And the subject I hated the most is of course maths. I still do not enjoy doing any calculations. I need calculator for even a small calculations. And for my studies, I pursued interior designing, and like back then I really used to enjoy designing and all, but now I don't enjoy it as much as I enjoy doing this. And for job, like मैंने कभी ऐसा proper job नहीं किया है कहीं पे. I did freelancing 1 साल के लिए, and then फिर मैंने वो भी छोड़ दिया था. So I wanted to tell you guys कि प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट्स में आप बताओ कि आप लोगों को किस टाइप के वीडियोस देखना ज़्यादा पसंद है. Do you enjoy watching मेकअप लुक्स, या फिर आपको ज़्यादा रिव्यूज़ एंड उस तरीके वीडियोस में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ सजेशंस दैट यू गाइज गिव मी प्रीवियसली, एंड आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दैट एज वेल. लाइक आई वॉन्टेड टू नो आप लोगों को क्या ज़्यादा देखना पसंद है इस चैनल पे. व्हाट आर यू हियर फॉर? so that I can bring more of those videos. So the next question is which is the best place you have visited? So the best place I have visited till now, I would say Kerala. It's very, very beautiful, and the people there are so kind, and I just loved when I was in Kerala. So yeah, Kerala I would say. So the next question is 3 things that you would want to have if you were stranded on an island. I'm not very sure about the question. Wow, this blush was pigmented. Now I'm really not sure how to answer this question. Like, do I need to think about my survival, or do I need to think something funny? Like, I really don't know what to answer, but I'm gonna answer both. So if it's like for survival, I would take with me my phone. Of course, not to call, but the GPS and all, the campus and all would work. And then I would have to have food with me and fire. Yeah. And if it's for fun, I would like to take my makeup bag, and then I would like to take my camera, so that if I do my makeup, I could take my pictures at least, and also iPod, so that I can listen to songs while I do makeup. Okay, so eyebrows are done. This is the best I could do with them. Anyways, let's move on to the next question. Next question is, are you neat or messy? Okay, so I would say I am neat. Like, I like to keep my things neatly, and I like to keep it where it belongs to, but then it's me only who creates the mess. Within like 2 to 3 days, I create mess everywhere, and then I again clean it by myself. So I don't know what the answer should be for this question. Like, I am neat, but also at the same time I am very messy. Okay, so let's move on to our eyes, and I'm gonna use my new baby today. Okay, so while I start my eyes, let's move on to the next question, which is that you love your partner more than makeup and you are very happy with your married life. Yes, of course I love my partner, my husband, more than makeup, and if there is a day where he says me to skip on makeup, I would do it for him. But for the fact I know he would never ever tell me to skip makeup, because he knows what makeup means to me. And the next bit of the question, that I am really happy with my married life. Yes, I am at a very happy place with my married life. So yeah. And the next question is that you are 20 years old and you are a college going girl. So clearly the answer is no, I'm not 20 years old, neither I'm a college going girl. I passed my college 4 years back. So yeah. And the next question is, you have had a lot of money even at first to invest in good luxury makeup. Okay, so I would say no, it was a gradual process, and in the beginning when I started doing makeup, I used to purchase the dupes from the Insta stores and all, where they used to sell dupes for Jaclyn Hill palettes, Too Faced palette. I used to purchase that, and that's how I started learning. And then later on, I started saving up for makeup. I have my own business. I used to have an Instagram page, like, where I used to sell jewelry. So that's when I started saving money from that business, and I started getting makeup, because I knew somewhere that the dupe makeup is not good for me. So I really wanted to invest in good makeup. So I started saving, and abhi bhi, if I want to get something which is expensive, first I save for it, and then I go and buy that makeup product. So yeah, that's like how it worked. Never had all this in just like one day. Okay, so I just realized कि मैंने questions और assumptions दोनों ही mix कर दिए हैं, but I'm not gonna go back and record all this. So we're just gonna go with the flow. Questions है तो questions है, assumptions है तो assumptions है. We're just gonna go with it. Okay, so the next question, assumption, is to love painting. No, I do not love painting, and I'm not much into it. And the next question is, I assume you don't know to cook. So nahi, I know how to cook, though I have recently learned like properly how to cook, but I used to even cook before I got married sometimes, like when I was in hostel and all. But yeah, I know how to cook. But I would like to add that my husband is far better cook than me. Like he cooks such delicious food. I really enjoy eating food cooked by him. So after like my mother, if there is someone whose food I really love and enjoy eating is my husband's. So the next question is, you are a coffee person? Yes, I am an absolute coffee person. I love coffee over anything, especially I love cold coffee. That's like my thing. I love having cold coffee. So the next question is, you are an absolute extrovert? So no, this is false, which brings to our next question, that is, you are an introvert and you don't talk much. So yes, I am an introvert person and I do not like to talk much to people around me, especially if they are unknown. I will never start a conversation by myself. Like, I'm that kind of introvert person. So yeah, that is me. And I'm really confused between these two lipsticks. Which one should I go for? I think brown one, because it will go with my eyes, right? Yeah. So the next question is, planning a vacation. So no, I'm not planning a vacation, or maybe. Yeah, maybe. Now that we are on lips, let's cover the lip question, that is, you have had a lip injection. No, I do not have had a lip injection. These are my natural lips and I will never ever have any such kind of things injected to my lips. No. And the next question is, you are the only child? No, I'm not the only child. I have a younger brother and he's a very supportive human being in my life. So the next assumption is, you love skincare more than makeup. So I would say no, I do not love skincare more than makeup. I love doing makeup, but skincare is something that is a necessity. It is we cannot compromise on that, so that's why we all need to have a good skincare routine, and that's why even I follow a good skincare routine. So the next assumption is from one of my Instagram friend, and she has an assumption that you love me. So if you're watching this video, yes, I love you, girl. I love you a lot. I love your work, and yes, your assumption is 100% right. And I'll set my face to complete this makeup look. Okay, so my makeup is done. I'm just thinking to do something like a blow dry to my hair to make it more presentable, and for that I'll use my new tool, which is this Allen 2-man blow dry brush. I'm gonna use this today for the first time, and let's see how it works. I'm gonna fast forward this clip, but of course if you want to know how this works, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to make an entire video on this one. Okay, so this is how my hair looks like. It is so much more shinier, bouncier, and very less frizzy. The first impression of this one was really nice. I'm still gonna try it on wet hair and all, so let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna finish off with my favorite perfume, and if you don't know yet, I am a perfume obsessed. I love collecting perfumes and I love wearing perfumes. I love smelling good basically. So I'm just gonna spray some here, and yeah. And the last question that I have is, how old are you turning this year? So I'm turning beautifully 24 this year. So yeah, I think that is it for this video. These are all the questions that I had. I really enjoyed doing this sort of video, like talking while doing makeup, and I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this as well. And yeah, I think that is it for this video. Let me know how do you like this look on me, and also let me know your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, with that I'll finish this video right here. I know it's gonna be pretty much long. If you have made it till the end, I love you guys, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.